Look at all of that seaweed today. That's just a lot more than normal. And it's in the waves. You can see way over there, there's just masses of it. Nice blue green water here in San Diego. White sand beach. So let's go down and pick up some seaweed, and then we'll take some home and dry it. And then you have this really thin stuff. Look at this. All of this will work great as fertilizer. Oh, look at this. Now this is what I've been kind of looking for, these longer ones. Check this out. Look at that. That's a beauty. So clean catch and compost. That's a nice piece to take home. Beautiful colors. Now what we want to do though is we want to go ahead and rinse off any salt. So we're just going to rinse all that salt off. Let's find a place to dry this. I think I know a spot right here. This tomato cage actually is just being used for birds to land on. Let me hang this right here. There we go. Nice in the full sun. This thing will dry up very quickly. All right, it gives it plenty of airspace to dry out. This could be used as a mulch. You could just sprinkle this right over the top of your plants, actually. This one's interesting. Look at this. It's like ghost white. Ooh, look at this. Pretty colors. Let's see. I got some. Oh, this one's cool. So I have a few other pieces of seaweed here I want to show you guys that I'm going to hang up as well because they're kind of big. This stuff is cool, this pink. This could be good to put in your shower. You could use this as a scrub brush. Some people have those spongy scrub brushes that look like this, people buy. Now this looks exactly like that. Oh, check out this as well. Now that is crazy looking. All right, let's check out this seaweed. Okay, it's been drying for a little while. Some of it's really changed color and really shrunk up. This one especially, remember how big this one was? Now look down here, I got a couple more that I just picked up. I want to show you this seaweed as well. This one's a little different. So I wanted to get a diversity of different types of kelp. Now this one down here, this one's like 20 feet long. So what I want to do as well is dry this out. It's getting really dry and crispy, and you can see it's very crispy. Look at how much it shrunk up. So all of it really shrank up quite a bit. Remember what this looked like before. This one was really big. So let's go ahead. We're going to take this off. And what we're going to do is let's just put them up here on this table here. Look at this one. Turned completely black. That's going to be some rich fertilizer. This one. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut up all the stuff with these heavy duty scissors. Look at this one. So look at all that variety. These ones I put out a little later. But very quickly though, these things dry up and turn black. This was really big before. So quite a diversity here. This was like 20 feet long. All right, look at that. Nice pile of seaweed, a lot of different types. So I'm going to grind all this up, make a powdered fertilizer that I can sprinkle on into my plants, or make a liquid fertilizer as well. So have like 6 different types of seaweed here. This is going to be excellent. These ones here you can see very black. Go ahead and just grab a bundle. This stuff is really easy to cut through. Now if you find that it's really dry and crispy, that's even better, because sometimes what you can do, if it's super crispy and been sitting in the hot sun, watch this, you can just squeeze it and it'll just crinkle up and break up in your hand. That's even better. You don't want to have to do any extra work. Okay, there's our pile. What we can do is we can actually walk on it. That'll help break it down as well. Kind of grind it into that concrete, and that'll really break it into smaller pieces. Now at the end, you can take your hand and just kind of squeeze that together and break it down a little finer pieces. All right, I got this stuff chopped up. So I want to chop this up a little bit smaller pieces. Some of these are still kind of big because there's some big chunks in there, but that's okay. So what we can do, I'm going to take this brick, kind of grind it into the ground as well. This will kind of make it more into a meal. Kelp meal. And if you had to, you could always take a filter screen and screen out the bigger pieces. Some of those stems are a little thicker and a little harder to break down than the leaves. So I'll do this for a few minutes. And then I will come back and check on this. Look at all that diversity in there. Your plants are gonna just love this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click like, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.